was right. That was called immersive, kids. That's called immersive. Here, you can face delusion. Oh, God, that was beautiful. How do you feel?
Really, really tired.
Yeah, it was, wasn't that gorgeous, guys? Speaking of gorgeousness, Mr. B, how do you feel?
I don't. Beyond frightened. I'm fascinated. I loved it. I thought it was fantastic. I loved the costumes. I loved the spirit of it. I loved all the energy. And I only have one number. And that's going to be this one. A big number 10.
Oh my God, 3 costume changes. And it was all on your body already. You just had to take it off. That was amazing. And you're dancing in those shoes. So,
Yeah. Miss Sugar, take us home.
I love everything about it. Except for I didn't hear it.
Right.
You guys can buy votes, right? Yeah. You're buying votes, right?